the ferry. Alright guys, we are on Put-in-Bay. We just got my load here. I got 2 golf carts. Got my buddy, he's driving the third. Hopefully next year I can have a bigger trailer and I can move more with less equipment and less people. But yeah, we're just going down the driveway here. We're gonna pop up here on, I think it's Langram, one of the main roads here back by the airport. Going back to the ferry. And then go back to the mainland and finish this job and move on to my next job coming up. So we'll just see what's going on here. They got some paving going on, so I was riding with a bunch of the paving trucks. 4 at a time is all they could do. I got a car here. Probably the only car of the whole day on this road. Right. Hyman's Winery Tours over here by Crystal Caves. Great place. Been there, did the tour last year. Just gotta maintain my speed here since my buddy's driving the other golf cart and he can only do about 20. So it's beautiful up here. It's chilly today. It's about 52. Light wind. Lake is calm today. It was angry yesterday. It was choppy. But watch the sunset, the sunrise as we were coming across, and this is the life. You know, out here on the road, hotshotting and all that stuff. Make your own schedule. Do what you want when you want. Make as much or as little money as you want. Definitely not every day you get on a boat and go over the island with your truck and your trailer. Looks like a plane just landed over here, a little puddle jumper, as they call them, Cessnas. Leaves are turning. Cool. Well, thanks for joining in, guys. Catch you on the next run. Loaded. This is gonna be a full one. 4 blacktop trucks, a bunch of trucks. My truck and trailer. It looks like another guy with his truck and a boat. Here comes my buddy on the third golf cart. I know he's cold. Here comes the guy at the boat. Bunch of passengers. Awesome. Alright guys, job done. 2 carts loaded. As I mentioned, with my buddy, we're on the ferry now going back. Occasionally we get a little water kick up here since we're right at the front. Versus a trip over, I was in front of the big door, so maybe it's choppier than when I left this one, I don't know. But I didn't get it. There was no water kick up like there is currently. Yep, another good done job. I've got a guy will get a hold of me here in a few months. Have me come and bring him back. Just out here having fun. That's what it's all about. Awesome. I did have to pay for my buddy since he was driving the cart on it. It was classified as another vehicle. So, did have to pay an additional cost for that. So it was for the truck to trailer, 2 people round trip on this ferry was like $150, and I had to spend another $20 to come back with the third golf cart. Just not enough from on the 20-footer. Looking to solve that next year, as we've mentioned. Yeah. Just a beautiful day here on the islands. Tune in for the next crazy adventures.